Quezon Cruz, can you just stop posting about Rene Bartebonia? First of all, Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, you curse him bad words. And then you say about profanity word, you say, what's that F word? What's that word? Fuck. Give me a break, Mark Cruz. You know, Jerick Silva, Jared Dino, and Christian Mengito, and Shania Kiana, they are warning at you. First of all, you make enemies with Gerald Atienza. And who's this guy anyway? Gerald Atienza, Robin Auniao. Oh. Next is Kuya Rodelio Daguman, Mon Galang. What else? What else anyway? What else? I do not mention their names. Oh. You know Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, ha? Would you just stop posting about Rene Bartebonia? Would you just stop posting about Tatay Digong, about you say bad words? You know, this is nonsense, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. I don't want to get in lots in trouble and cyberbullying. You're the one who create this bullying. Even you're the one who created the fake account of Rocky Tulog. And it wasn't Teacher Gio Malana. Oh. Teacher Gio Malana explains he thinks it was me. Oh. And I told him it was Mark Cruz. Oh. They are implicating you. It is your fault, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You are a bully. At least I told to Dennis Martinez at Miss Honduras, I told her, if you see Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz in Instagram, block him. Because I know he's my arch enemy. Oh. At least I didn't include Manuel Luis Antonio. Oh. Manuel Luis Antonio he's non-partisan. Oh, he's not talking about politics. He and Franco Morales never talk politics. But the person who's talking of politics and posting nonsense, and he's posting Rene Bartebonia, and he's posting about the bad words at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, and who's this guy? Mark Cruz. I just want to demand you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, apologize to Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, sincerely. And do not say bad words at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, Mark Cruz. He's very old, he's very sick. Like I say again, when Teacher May is very sick, would I ever accuse her? Would I ever insult her or bash her in social media? I always update with Teacher May that she is very sick. She has colon cancer. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you stop saying bad words at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, and I will arson your house. I will burn your house in San Pedro, Laguna. I will tell all the Duterte supporters to mob your house, to raid your house. Is this what you like? To beliterate the old man? That he is very sick? That Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte has arthritis and he is very sick? And he has fever when there is a cold place in Netherlands? Is this what you like? Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, ha? I don't want to be expected. Everyone will never be friends with you. Oh. Christian Mengito doesn't want to be friends with you. Because he was made a mistake that he knows Mark Cruz. And everything you know, that it wasn't his friend. You know that, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you have lots of ally. Paulo Cruzada, Teacher Exandra Pagkalinawan, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Gima Casandil, Nino Barsaga, Romeo TV Vlog. You have lots of ally, Mark Cruz. This is why Juan Carlo Pabale had betrayed you, had called you a troublemaker. I just want to tell you, kasalanan mo yan, Mark Cruz. If I want to demand you in my YouTube blog, apologize to Tatay Digong. Rodrigo Duterte, apologize to him. It's not good to curse Rodrigo Duterte, Mark Cruz. Respect the senior citizen. I mean, when I apologize to Teacher May, I know she's very sick. I always update to Eris Clemente when I talk to Jardino. Oh, I always update. My fellow Duterte supporters are updating about Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. Is this what you like, to curse bad words in your mouth, Mark Cruz? Huh? And you calling me a niga? And you calling me an asshole word? When you describing me that I am an imbasalt? Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, I want to tell you something. I just want to tell you, why can't you just shut up? Why can't you shut the fuck up, Mark Cruz? You're not autism. You're not Asperger. You are an antisocial personality disorder. You're just like Zachary. That was a tutorial from Teacher May. Oh, you're just like Michael Sarmiento. You're just like same of Michael Sarmiento. Oh, you remember him? He was a student of Teacher Marisa. And you don't know what you're talking about, Mark Cruz? Even Tatay Digong is making is always being sick, and he was still not doing well, and you call him an F word? You call him a fuck word? Where did you get your mouth, Mark Cruz? I'm just gonna say to Roylan, Marlang, if you're watching this, if you don't want to know about the situation, I'm just telling you, pagsabihan mo yan si Mark Cruz, tantanan mo na yan si Tatay Digong. It's really insult. And you're insulting me a loser. You're insulting me everything. Oh, like I said again, Mark Cruz, like Maggie Ganti says, asar talo ka. You know that. And you know what is that asar talo ka? That means you are a loser. And then you label enemies. Who are Mark Cruz enemies? Oh, Mongalang, me, Danmar, Dayaw, Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that he was making quiet. Even the others, and you make me an enemy list. Mark Cruz, I say again, if you label Kuya Rodelio Daguman in your enemy list, even Kuya Danmar Dayaw in your enemy list, remember, Danmar will able to file the cases against you. He will summon you in barangay in San Pedro, Laguna. Don't you even know, Mark Cruz, that Danmar is very kind person. He's very kind, good friend, and he's my former friend who has invited me in Zoom meeting last pandemic. And then you calling him an enemy? What kind of person are you, Mark Cruz? Who is your true enemy? Last 2024, you curses Jerick Silva during his birthday and you calling him F-word. Oh, is this what an insult? Mark Cruz? Where did you get that bad words anyway, Mark Cruz? Are you similar with Paulo Cruzada? Paulo Cruzada, you get these bad words anyway from Tagalog. What's that the word? Putang ina words that came from came from Nino Barsaga. Oh, but Mark Cruz is came back from his English profanity words. He get that from I don't know what is he getting for. He's getting from Team America World Police, correct. He get that bad words and foul mouth. Alright. I just want to demand to Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz in my YouTube blog. Delete that all your posts in Instagram threads. Rene Bartebonia, Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. Delete it. Because it's nonsense. You always talk about politics. And you hurting Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. He is very sick. Oh. Respect the senior citizen, Mark Cruz. You don't know what you're talking about. Tatay Digong is very sick. Believe me, I was told by my former friend, Stefan Pimentel. Stefan had said to me, Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte is very sick. Juanes Impact had said it. Tatay Digong is very sick. Kuya Park Official had said to me in TikTok Live, Tatay Digong is very sick. I say again, Mark Cruz, may sakit po si Tatay Digong. Rodrigo Duterte is our second father of the Philippines. Mark Cruz, he declared war on drugs in the Philippines. And you don't know what you're talking about. Like I say again, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, do you want to be like Kuya Kopio? Do you see those people who lots of pickpocketing? My mom is a victim of pickpocketing in the mall in SM. Is this what you like? You're very happy? Pickpocketing everywhere in the Philippines, crimes and thief and robbery. Do you know what happened to Eris Clemente's house? He was being robbed. And you saying about Tatay Digong ang F-word? What kind of person are you, Mark Cruz? If I were you, Mark Cruz, like Jerick Silva says to you, there's lots of spedmotics who are cannibalism. They can eat your liver, they can eat your heart. They can bring you in Sentinel Island. There's lots of cannibalism. Or there's lots of aswang in Laguna, in the provinces. Is this what you like to say a bad words at Tatay Digong? Mark Cruz? It's very disrespectful. Very inappropriate. How many times I've been telling you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz? You're always bullying anyone. You're bullying You're bullying me, you're bullying everybody. You're bullying Juan Carlo Pabale. Oh, you think that I am a bully, Marcos? You're a bully. Oh. You insulted Nguyen Pong Can, calling her cattle cow. You calling everyone are inappropriate. That's an insult, Marcos. You should never be like this. When I was in CDIF, I remember, Marcos, there is no bad words there. Like Yvette, who says bad words, or she apologized to Teacher May when she hurt her, when she was asked to be late and Bill came early. Oh, Yvette apologized sa Teacher May when she hurt her. Oh, it's simple. For you, Mark Cruz, it's better to you apologize to Tatay Digong. Sincerely.